tired of democracy? Had it up to here with boring old checks and balances? Fed up with freedom of speech? Well, mosey your treasonous ass down onto the White House USA giveaway, orange, white, and blue DEMOCRALOSATHON. Well, America, it's been fun. Well, fun for straight white Christian males. Everybody else, hell on earth. We know the history. But that don't mean you still can get your piece of the American pie. The dried out, dusty, crusty, fly-infested American pie. Because we going out of business and everything gotta go. Social Security? Tell Gram, slip on some sketches and take your geriatric ass back to work. Medicaid? Come on, man. Everybody know kidneys is overrated. Will of the people? Shit, we will deport your ass back to Canada. But I'm not even from Canada. That don't even matter no more. Right to protest? Tell it to your cellmate. Sure, you gave up all the rights that you used to pretend to care about, but that don't mean you gotta leave empty-handed, because we got gold shoes, NFTs. He ain't never done none of this shit. Non-existent policy.
I have concepts of a plan. I'm not.
But that's not all. We got pardons. He got one, he got one. And every single one of these domestic terrorists got one. Pardons may vary based on skin tone, how much dirt you got on him, or how much money you got. And for all you special cult members, we have a commemorative I voted for idiot convicted felon who destroyed the country in less than 4 months, and all I got was his dirty ass t-shirt. Use special promo code IHeartPootie and get 70% off of everything. And this just added. Text Jaegerbomb and you will receive your own personalized set of war plans. Come on down and the first 100 insurrectionists will get a free Tesla. So come on down, because it's the USA giveaway, orange, white, and blue, DEMOCRALOSATHON. Still can't believe y'all voted for this shit.